carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber, by the way. What is going on, guys? A long time no see. Welcome back to another video. Apologize in advance about my appearance. That's why I'm wearing a hat. I haven't gotten a haircut in like 2 or 3 months or something like that. Ever since I heard about this virus situation started, I don't want to risk it. To not talk too much about that. Just don't worry about my face and anything, because that's why I got a hat on. So we're gonna be installing some new parts that I got. Just keeping it, you know, classy, I guess you could say. I never wanted to go too crazy with this car. I knew that when I first got it, like as far as like super crazy camber, wide body kit, like I didn't want to do any of that. These next parts are gonna add to the appearance, and it's gonna make it look real clean and sexy. So without further ado, here we go. Actually, coming soon, I got these Fender garnishes right here. I did open it already, but I'll show you that in a second. This is really the main thing that we're gonna be installing. So I got the APR performance mirrors, fully carbon fiber, the GT3 formula. I'm sure you know about these already. They look amazing. It doesn't come with instructions. The packaging is amazing. There's no way that you can scratch these. You gotta be stupid. Right off the bat, these things are super, super light. They're so light that it's sketchy. Like, it's so light that it feels fake. Or grab something that you know, you've been wanting for a long time, like anything, not just a car part, like, I don't know, shoes or whatever it is. And you've been anticipating getting it for so long, and like, when you finally get it, it's lighter than you thought it would be. I can't be the only one with that feeling, but anyway, it's got like a blue tint, and then look at that carbon fiber. Look at that. Very, 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 very nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm not gonna talk too much. So here it is, guys. I just went ahead and installed this side, and I'll do like a time lapse of the other side. Whew. And then the Fender garnishes. These are rec speed. And I installed these louvers too a little while ago. Didn't make a video of it because it's just louvers and anybody can do it. Looks pretty good, actually. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Got it bumping.
All right, so that took a very long time. I do want to explain what is happening. So I mean, obviously I took this off. I don't really need to do a tutorial on that because it's pretty easy. This little pivot or whatever, this is what allows you to maneuver the mirror, right? Now this tightens up like that so that it can't move. So like if I do that, see, it can't move anymore. When I loosen it, I'm able to move it. That little Allen screw, like it's all on the same thing. That is tightened to that, right? So what was happening was this thing was so tight on this that it kept on unscrewing this bolt. So it just took forever to go ahead and get this thing out, because this is, I gotta loosen this so that I can maneuver this and adjust the mirror, right? So it was just annoying. Anyway, we got that done. Let's get back to it. This is gonna prevent rattle, right? Because it's metal to metal. That's billet aluminum. So it's gonna be making a lot of noise, and it could scratch. So what I'm gonna do is put this on it. That way that doesn't happen. We've done it. Looks good, looks amazing. Both sides are installed. Now, last thing I gotta do is install this fender garnish right here. I gotta clean that up first. So here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and put in the new fender garnish and we'll be done.
Got it bumping.
Appreciate you very much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed that little photo shoot that I put together for you. I am gonna go and grab a bite because I am hungry. I will also try to link everything down there if I can, so that way you guys can check it out for yourself. I am gonna let you guys know a little bit more about that ACT clutch. I did install it on my car. I'm waiting to finish the braking period so I can do a proper review on it, and I'm gonna give my honest to God review on that. I don't mean to be negative, but just stay tuned for that. And of course, the Civic build is going to be coming up, and hopefully some WRX content real soon. Hope you stay tuned for the next one. Please consider subscribing. Yeah.